like to move it, move it. I like to move it. Tanning lash. Got it from the bottom. Hey, welcome to the happiest place on the internet. My name is Adelaine Morin, and I feel like a potato that like got shocked by an electric outlet. Like, that's what I feel like right now. So today I thought it'd be a really cool video to do a 24-hour transformation video because I am literally a burnt potato crisp right now. Like, that is what I feel like. So we're gonna go from this to glam because tomorrow, the day before, we're leaving to Hawaii. Like a couple hours ago, I didn't have my nails done. I have nails. What? No matter how much I try and bring down my baby hairs, it's always up. Sometimes I connect all of my baby hairs together like this. Girl, you know that I'm the queen of transformations. Got my nails done at the nail salon. First thing on the list, check. Second thing on the list, I want to do some self-tanner. Take a shower. I need to get my eyelashes redone. Beat my face. We gotta do some makeup. We gotta get a cute outfit right now. I'm just kind of wearing sweats. Ooh, my Bebop crew, which just went up on ADELANGEL.com. It's a limited edition. We love her. And the best part is, a portion of every single sale goes towards a girls' nonprofit organization. That's what I wanted my merch to be all about. So you can check it out. It's ADELANGEL.com. Link down below. Little self promo. Let's start this transformation. So change it to my bathing suit. Now we're gonna do self-tanner. I start off with I put my hair up. I put it in a bun. You ever see me with one bobby pin in my hair? Because I'm taming the baby hairs. Take off all of my jewelry. Okay, now prep. I feel like this is a huge step with self-tanner. Body lotion. You could use any body lotion you want. We're going with Bath & Body Works. Apple and honey. I get the lotion and I put it on any areas where it's hard to tan. Elbows, knees, ankles, even just like the feet in general. I feel like it's hard. The tanner that I use, and I've used this in like multiple videos, is the Bondi Sands tanner. So I got the one in dark. That's like their best selling one. Also, if you're wondering what that is, that's a little neon sign of my logo. We gotta put her up. We'll do it tomorrow. I always order this online, but Bondi Sands just started selling in Walgreens. So now, life-saving, you could buy Bondi Sands at Walgreens or at Walgreens online. Bless. Also, look at, so Bondi Sands sent me their product in this little box. Vegemite Tim Tam Caramel. I want to go back to Australia. Good day, mate. I want to say a huge thank you to Bondi Sands for sponsoring today's video. I've been using them for like so many years, and they asked to collab, and I was like, oh my god, yeah. And like, I don't know if you guys have ever seen the old vlogs where me and Chloe, we would used to go spray tanning salons, and they were so freaking expensive. Like, I don't know how anybody keeps up. I think it was like $60 per time we went. By the way, this is the Bondi Sands tanning mitt. So I just shake it, put like 2-ish squirts on, and I personally like starting from my bottom and then working my way up to my top. Now I know it seems like super intimidating doing it yourself. Like, you're like, what if it gets streaky? Or like, what if I do something wrong? But I feel like with the tanning mitt that it comes with, it's pretty like foolproof. Like, it's pretty smooth. There's never really streaks. You just gotta blend it and make sure you got like every area. Don't miss out any areas. Trust me, been there, done that. I feel like the dark tanning foam is very natural looking. It's kind of more olive as opposed to orange. Like, when I first started tanning, I was like, oh my god, I don't want to look orange. But this one, you're not gonna look orange. I think my favorite part about this is the coconut scent, because I've tried a lot of other tanning brands and stuff like that, but this is like my favorite scent ever. But if you don't know what to order, I would get the dark one. So it's the #1 best-selling self-tan worldwide. She's Australian made and globally loved. When I do my hands, I normally make a little claw, and then I do around my fingertips, and always be sure not to tan the inside of your hand. You don't have to tan your face, some people don't. I don't grab any tanner. Whatever's left on the glove, I just pat on my face really lightly. I just want a slight little tan on my face. Not huge, not huge. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. Normally I do it without a bathing suit, so I think I'm gonna turn off the camera, do the rest of my body. I normally just sleep on it and then shower the next morning, but it's recommended that you keep it on for 6 hours and then you wash it off. I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see you in the morning. Go to bed. And don't forget, drink lots of water. Girl, I swear it makes like the biggest difference in your skin. Water just helps everything. Nice. Morning. It's so dark when you first wake up. It's so dark. But we're gonna shower. It'll be more natural looking. Here is the final color. Okay. Good morning. It's the next day. I feel like a tan goddess. Just showered. I woke up like this. Look at it. It's me if I was a twin. Hey guys, Nikki and Gabby. Well, today we are going to be doing lash extension, hair, makeup. I just got my lashes filled. Look at, there's no bald spots over here. Hi, Eden. She does Eden Lashes on Instagram. So make sure to go follow her. If you're in the GTA Toronto area, then you have to get your lashes done by hair. Already got lash extensions on. And now, hi, how are ya? I'm gonna be doing hair. Jeffree Star reference. These are the things you're gonna need for your hair. For today, I wanted to go a little crazy. I love the look of space buns, like 2 space buns right here and then little 2 pieces out in the front, like, ah! I think it's so cute. So that's what I want to do today. Parting my hair straight down the middle. If you hear chewing, it's Lola just eating all of my stuff, but it's fine. This is when you get your handy dandy hairbrush. Oh my god, there's so much hair on it. Ah! Separated 2 pieces. Now I'm gonna be putting them in ponytails. Brush my hair up into like a high ponytail. We're gonna get like Harley Quinn vibe. Okay, I'm so crazy. The 2 pieces at the front like aren't perfectly even, so I wanna like cut it. Okay. I'm gonna be taking a pair of my boyfriend's socks. Matt, you don't need these, right?
Are they new?
I don't know. I'm getting the socks and I'm gonna cut off the top and I'm gonna make this a sock bun. Like I made a little tube and now I'm like rolling it up. Like roll up the rim. You only understand if you're Canadian. You could just buy a sock bun, but anybody got time for that. It's a donut. It looks like the ones that you buy in the store. And I'm just gonna roll my hair all around my boyfriend's sock. Oh, she cute. You can do the same thing. Oh! So cute. Okay, and then to make the hair a little bit crazy, I want to look crazy. I got some little flower clips on Amazon and I'm gonna clip it in my hair. Ooh, I have my hair curler wand. And then while she heats it, I'm just gonna get my bobby pins from the dollar store and I'm gonna pin up my baby hairs in the back because they always freaking fall out. So most people, when they do the 24-hour challenge, they get really hot and they like afterwards they like go out for like a nightclub or like, you know. I feel like we do the opposite. We look all cute so we can take photos and stay in. Now I'm gonna get my curling iron and I'm just gonna curl the pieces in the front. The way that I curl it is I curl it away from my face so you get like that Victoria's Secret, oh, that whoosh. Hold it. It looks crazy right now, but we're gonna fix it. By the way, this hair look was inspired by Nyane. I don't know how to say her name. Nyane. She's on Instagram and I'm obsessed with her. I can insert her photo. She like has these yellow looks that I'm obsessed with. And she has her own wig line, which I need. So girl, if you're watching this, please send me your wig. I want them in my life. I don't see them available anywhere. Okay, now I'm gonna get my hands and kind of like brush it down for a more natural look. Cheers, I feel alive now. I have my coffee. It's 2 in the morning. My witching hour is in 1 hour. My witching hour is the time where I like go a little crazy. But we need to do our makeup because it's gonna be 24 hours. I always start off with her Matcha Silk Canvas Primer. Putting her all over the face. I have to open up a brand new beauty blender because somebody, not gonna say any names, ate my last one. Even though it was only a couple days old, but it's fine. It's my favorite beauty blender, the Tarte one. Ah, I just love the shape of it. I don't know what it is about it. It's my favorite. I'm gonna wet it and I'll be right back. I'm gonna get the Peach Perfect Foundation. She's a couple shades darker than my actual skin tone just because we got a beautiful glowing tan from Bondi Sands. Spread it all throughout my face and then blend. Oh, now she's looking like the same color. Hawaii who? Oh, can you see? An eyelash fell off. I wish. Do you guys ever wish on your eyelash? I remember this one instance when I was little. My brother, one of his eyelashes came out and I was like, hold it! Don't lose it because eyelashes are rare and you can make a wish off of them. Like I was a really big wisher when I was little. Obsessed with Disney. When you wish upon a star. Love my Tarte shape tape. Love my Tarte shape tape. What? And I'm gonna put her on places like underneath my eyes, forehead, cupid's bow, chin, and underneath my jawline. And then with the beauty blender, we're gonna blend her away. Okay, now bronzer. I'm using this. It's literally the size of my face. So big and so excessive, but I love it very much. Get that on a brush and do my cheekbone, on my forehead. And then if you want to be Ariana, you can contour that jawline. And then just to even everything out, I like to contour both sides of my chin. And then with a blending brush, contour my nose. All right, that's intense, so I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. And then with the Secret palette, I'm gonna be applying a blush on the apples of my cheeks because this is a very like fun look, so we need some blush. We need color in our face. And then also with a Secret highlighter. I feel so mean when I do this to you guys. But trust me, it's coming out sooner than you think. If you follow me on socials, you'll know what it's about. I like to highlight above my brow too. And then with my finger, I'm gonna do my nose highlight. Andre hates it when I do my nose highlight because he's like, I gotta edit that freaking ball on your nose. And I'm like, I just love that ball on my nose. I know that, oh my God, this highlighter. And a little on the chin. Highlight everywhere, girl. Like this is a bright, sunny look. Now, this is my absolute favorite powder. It's the Peach Perfect powder. It goes so well with the foundation. Like that much. And then, oh my God, it even tastes like peaches. Like I don't even mean to taste it. It just tastes like peaches. Brows. I love my Anastasia duo. They're like my ride or die. If you need like a cheaper drugstore dupe, the NYX one I think is literally just as good. I'm just addicted addicted to it. I don't even know why I like it better. I just like it better. I feel like brows are different for everyone, so just fill in your brows the way that you like it, and then brush up. Clear brow gel. Now moving on to the actual eyes. You guys know I like to start off with my MAC Soft Ochre. It's a paint pot, and I like to put that all over my eye and prime the eye. Oh no, my cousin Eden said not to wet the lashes for 24 hours. You think I can like do makeup remover in 24 hours? Oh my god, she's gonna kill me. So I put the primer underneath and all over the lid because that's where we're gonna be putting shadow. Okay, I know I'm so annoying, but I'm using the Secret palette and I'm using a brown shade. I'm just gonna start by putting her in the crease. She's gonna be our transition shade. Girl, make sure to blend her. She's a transition like Hannah Montana. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Do you guys remember the Hannah Montana transition music? Now with a darker shade, I'm gonna be putting that on the outer part of my crease, and then we're gonna blend her. Okay, now we're gonna do something crazy. I got this yellow eyeliner from Tarte. Her name is Goldilocks. It looks like this, and we're going to be doing a yellow eyeliner and then a regular eyeliner and then a cut crease all in one. Grabbing the yellow, I'm gonna be cutting out my crease. Ta-da! Kind of looks like I put like an egg yolk on my eye. So she's a lot creamier than I thought. So I'm gonna get a yellow eyeshadow and then set that just because I feel like she's gonna move a lot. I already did her on this side. Let's try and copy her on this side. We did her! Now, with the same brush and our shape tape, I'm gonna be doing another cut crease. I'm gonna get my shape tape on my brush and we're gonna cut yet another crease. Oh, she's pretty. And then, with an eyeliner, I'm doing another wing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel like I can't breathe. This look is too intense. So I'm gonna start off with a white shade and put that on the inner corner just to set her. With the same brown that we used in the crease, I'm gonna blend from that white shade to black. Oh my god, I can't believe we did it. A cut crease and a cut crease and a wing on a wing. Okay, I'm gonna try and do the exact same thing on the other eye and I'll be right back. I'm in love with how this makeup look turned out. Not gonna lie, I do wish that the yellow eyeliner was a little less flaky. Every single yellow eyeliner I use, the NYX one, the Tarte one, every single yellow eyeliner I use, it's always a little bit flaky. So if you know any like colorful oh my god, I got an eyelash. If you know any colorful eyeliners, like yellow eyeliners that aren't flaky, girl, let me know because I'm like struggling to find one. But I think she turned out super cute. Love her. The makeup was inspired by Priscilla Vanity. I hope I said her name right. Hers is like way better than mine, but it's fine. Okay, so she smoked it out the bottom. Let's do that. I like that look. I'm gonna get the brown that we used on the crease. I'm gonna put it underneath the eye. This is what it looks like when I never sleep. And then with the black, I literally never do this. I'm gonna smoke out the black at the bottom. Oh, I kind of love it. Let's use the black eyeliner and the eyeliner that we already used. Line the waterline. Oh my god, this is so different from what I normally do. I never do like bottom crazy. And then with a mascara, I'm just using this one on my bottom just because it's so easy to take off. I'm gonna put her on my bottom lashes. Lastly, for lips, okay, I was either like, I either want to go all out, like wear black on my lips, or you know, go easy, like maybe a nice nude. And I decided to chicken out and get a nude. I'm sure you fan pages will like edit it black and make it like super grunge, but that's too much for me. I'm getting my Rimmel lip liner. I love the Rimmel lip liners. And I'm just gonna line my lips like so. And then I've loved this forever. This is the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick, and this is in, I think it's Sandstorm. She's just a good old nude. Ta-da! I really like it. And to finish her off, I'm using the Morphe setting spray. I love that. Like, I'm so used to that Urban Decay one where it's like spray, 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 spray. But she just goes. But 24 hours, girl. Started from the bottom, now we're here. I feel like an actual transformed woman. So we got our nails done, we got our tan, our lashes, our hair, our makeup, everything in between. We got all done. Oh, we got a new outfit. That's a girl supporting girl sports bra. But I'm so happy. She's gonna be one of my 100 days of makeup challenge. I just want to give a huge thank you again to Bondi Sands for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to pick her up, girl, make sure to check out Walgreens because she's available in Walgreens now. If you've never tanned before, dark is your go-to. It like was a perfect timing because we're literally leaving for Hawaii tomorrow. So she gonna make me look good before we even go to Hawaii. She make me look like I go to Hawaii before I go to Hawaii. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want more transformations like this, girl, let me know. Let me know any videos that you want me to do down in the comments and I'll be responding. Like transformation looks, getting ready for school, I don't know, anything like that. Let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in my next weekly video every sunny Sunday and every day on my vlog channel from Monday to Friday. We do daily vlog. But have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Same place, same time. Love you guys. Bye. I have a ukulele and I don't know how to play it.